Hey everybody, check out what I have here. Oop, I just dropped something on myself. I have some RGBW outdoor string lights. Let's check these out and see what they look like here. This is them here. They are nice and strong. Oh, it looks like it comes with some extra LEDs even. Wow, that's crazy. I never saw that on anything. But I guess if something goes wrong, we can replace the LEDs. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. It's a nice long string of them. It comes with a plug here that'll plug into the wall. And we can try it out here. I'm going to try it out inside here before we go outside. So here it is on here. Let me just put this here. Let me put this on my shoulder. And we have our instruction manual here. Let me just see if there's anything I need to know. There is the app I'll need to install to really be able to control it fully, but let me just show you guys here. I have the remote that it came with, and so I can choose different colors. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty cool. And then, yeah, there we go. And I can say auto. What does auto do? Oh, it kind of rotates colors. That's cool. Okay, so I have that, and then I have the app, and I have my iPad. So we're gonna try to install it on there. Where is it? Let me close all this other stuff up. Okay, I'm gonna go install it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the app installed. I mean, it just installed, and then I didn't even connect it. It just connected automatically. It knew what it was doing, I guess. So then I can click the different colors, and it does what it does. And I can set it up with different, things, style. I could say magic forward, whatever that means. Doing that. So we have all these different things here. Color jump, RGB jump. Okay. RGB strobe. But you see all these different things here you can do with it. So pretty cool. And you're only seeing half because the other half is down here behind me. So it's a big long string. I'm going to set this up outside. So hopefully up in one of these corners here, you're seeing it in the evening. So very cool. I like it. Thumbs up. And here we go with this thing here. I can make them blue or whatever color I want. There, or I can make them fade or other things too. What is that color? I don't know. But there you go. We can do all these different things here. Auto. Oh, that's pretty cool. So lots of different options on that. Very cool.